Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and then let's scroll in order to find security. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find more settings and then find install apps from external sources. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it, just find the app, tap on it and tap on the switcher. As you can see, your device will inform you that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually hold the device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So simply tap on enable and as you can see it is active, and after getting back you can see that the browser is right now allowed to install something. Of course it will work the same with all other apps and you can remove previously granted permissions, just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back you can see that the browser is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.